Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So once again welcome back to your geography class. In this class I am going to discuss one of the major topics of your syllabus, that is agriculture. Agriculture is really so important for class 10 ICSE, and in your book itself this chapter is divided into 4 parts. So today we are going to start with part number 1, and in this part, in this video, I am going to discuss only the 2 topics. Number 1, the general information regarding agriculture, and number 2, what are the basic importance or the significance of agriculture. I hope you will enjoy this video, and after this video I am going to put some important questions related to your ICSE and try to solve the questions, and you will be obviously benefited. So let's move on to this video. So what is agriculture? If you will break this word, then you will get 2 different words, because agriculture word, it has been derived from 2 different words. Number 1, it is agar. Agar means land, and then culture. Culture means cultivation, right? So if you want to write the proper definition, you can write agriculture is nothing but the cultivation of the soil, right, in order to grow the crops and rear the livestock. So in agricultural field, 2 things can be done continuously. One is crop production, and number 2, livestock. So what is the basic purpose of agriculture? We need to know that. Number one purpose is, generally agriculture means production of food for the people and production of fodder for the animals. Why people they are rely on this, and they were rely on this agricultural activity to produce the food for their own survival, right? Now we are dependent mostly on this agriculture, because from this agriculture Indian economy is getting influenced. If you are taking account of our country, you will get that statistics that more than 60% population of our country, they are dependent on this agricultural activity or this primary activity. But nowadays, though we are moving towards this technological development, okay, or technological era, that means now people, they are trying to move from this sector to the agricultural from this agricultural sector to the technological sector. Now that is the difference thing. So here the most important thing is how our economy, like Indian economy, it is getting influenced by this agriculture. If you will look into the statistics, you will get that our gross domestic product, that is GDP, okay, most of this, like 14% of this GDP, it generally comes from agriculture. 12% of share of total value of country's exports, and it provides the employment to more than 58%. So GDP, like 12% of GDP, it is coming from agricultural sector. Now next, India, that in export, in trading, in exports, generally agricultural, it shares 12%. So all of these are related to Indian economy also. That's what still now agriculture itself a very important activity. Now the next topic is, what are the basic significance or importance of agriculture, right? So we need to know that. Number 1, agriculture provides the food for our expanding population and fodder for our livestock. Now why population is extending in our country, you might be known that. So why population is increasing? Because nowadays people, they are migrating from one place to another place for better opportunity, for better livelihood. So for this, in our country population is getting exceeded, and agriculture is that sector which provides the food for this extending population and generally fodder for our livestock. Number 2, agriculture generates the working capital for non-agricultural development and supplies raw materials for agro-based industries like textile, sugar, food processing, vanashpati, etc. Now what is this raw material? Now just imagine there is a textile industry, right? What is the raw material over there? That is cotton. or raw cotton. So cotton, it is an agricultural product. Sugarcane, like sugar industry, sugarcane is the raw material. So without this sugarcane, sugar industry cannot run properly. So each and every industry, those who are agro based, they must need to depend on this agricultural sector. That's what it is written, that agricultural sector generates the working capital for non-agricultural development also, because that sugar industry, it will come under secondary activity. It is not that industry, it is not primary activity, but still this secondary activity, it is somehow dependent on agricultural sector, because textile industry cannot be developed properly without the raw material, that is cotton. Okay, now number 3, agriculture provides a large part of the market for industrial goods, especially the farm inputs like fertilizer, pesticides and implements like machinery, etc. So agriculture here, it provides the large markets for the industrial products. Like so many industries, they produce such fertilizers, pesticides and all. And what are the basic application of this? All of the products, they can be applied on an agricultural field. So if agricultural field will not be there, then there is no meaning to produce such different things like pesticides, insecticides. That's what it is written, that agriculture provides a large market for this industrial goods. Now number 4, agriculture accounts for a substantial portion of India's export. Obviously, because India, it is exporting so many materials to the different countries, and their agriculture plays an important role, because we know that 12% agricultural product every year it exported by India to different countries. Now last but not the least, agriculture provides employment to millions of population. Now if agricultural field will not be there, then people will be unemployed. They will not get the opportunity to work on, because all the people, they are not so skilled, they are not so developed, they are not so educated. So they will not get job everywhere, right? But in rural sector, you can see that people might, though they are not so educated, but still they can work in agricultural field. So that's what it is written, agriculture provides the employment facilities to the common people. Okay, so again I am just going to gist all of this importance. Number 1, what did I say? That agriculture provides food and fodder to the people and the animals respectively. Number 2, agriculture generates the working capital for non-agricultural development. There I have mentioned that cotton, textile and sugar industry. Number 3, obviously agriculture provides a large market for the industrial goods, right? And number 4, agricultural sector plays an important role in India's export management. And then number 5, it provides the employment facilities. So I hope this thing you have understood, and after this video I am going to put some important questions from this part, and in next video we are going to discuss that general and basic problems regarding agriculture. Till then, thank you and take care.